Amanya ga Mukama waffe Yesu Kristo ng'alangibwa mu kitabo kya Isaaya essula ya 10 essula ya 9. Isaiah chapter 9 tugendeyo okwo tulabe ku mannya ago, kubanga bw'onoogategeera kigenda kuyamba nnyo, gagenda kukolera. Ekintu kyonna ky'otomanyi tekina bwe kikuyamba. Kibanga bw'onooleeta omuntu okuva mu kyalo eri gye nava n'omulekera washing machine, weeri naye ojja kumusanga ng'afaafaagana n'engoye azikunya, kubanga tamanyi kiri mu maaso ge. Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6, for unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government will be upon his shoulder, and his name will be called Wonderful. That's one of his names. His other name, Counselor. His other name, Mighty God. His other title, Everlasting Father. His other name, Prince of Peace. Verse 7. For the increase of his government and peace, there will be no end. Tano nyabisanja. Upon the throne of David and over his kingdom, to order it and establish it with judgment and justice. From that time forward, even forever, the zeal of the Lord of hosts will perform this.